Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is how to do a product research manually for Amazon UE marketplace for a private label. You can want to launch your brand on Dubai marketplace so you can find easily product without any tools. So first of all, please care about the use which step I use so you can carefully check this video and also watch 2 to 3 times to carefully check all steps which I do. Okay, first of all, type Amazon AE marketplace, then click on all, then click on bestseller. Okay, when you click on bestseller, you can see here is all the best selling products in Amazon A marketplace. Okay, so then you will click on kitchen products, then category which you want. Okay, no any criteria category which I decided, so you can choose which category you want to launch your private label brand. Okay, first of all click I will check the kitchen category, then click on kitchen. Here you can see the all the best selling products in kitchen category in the Y marketplace. Okay, you can see here is all the products which are best selling in UE marketplace. Then you will click on new releases because we are new to launch products in UE marketplace, so we can see how new brands are launching which products. So we can see here all products is newly launched in Amazon A marketplace in kitchen category. So we can check one by one every product. First of all, we will check this product. Okay, you can see this. Okay, this product is selling like it's a two is best selling is two and is 79 in kitchen category. So this is the best product in selling in kitchen category. So its monthly sales is 798, means 798 unit sales per month. Okay, FPP is 16 and also 49, and is also you can see here is 2k plus views in past month and 500 plus unit sale in you can see without tools. These are stats in tools in Helium and also already installed in this browser, so that's why it's showing is 700. This is the help of Helium 10 tool. You can see here also see here without tool 500. This is Amazon stats which showing every product in after a brand name and review count. So you can see is 500 plus unit per sale in past month. Okay, here you can see the keyword, how to get keyword for product research for, because we need a keyword to rank on a product. So we can find you can check this keyword is first keyword and he's choosing it, this is second keyword. Okay, lunchbox for kids school and lunchbox for kids and adults. Okay, you can copy this keyword. This is the second step. First step is to find care. First step is to check is new releases in kitchen category. You can find this also many other category in kitchen, like second categories of kitchen is kitchen line and large appliances, small appliances, tableware, tools, gadget, and many other. So you can also copy this keyword and then type here. You can see 30,000 people are selling this product, so you can also go to check how many other are selling. Here you can say, first of all, never check the sponsor products because these are PPC products. These are organically ranked products. Okay, you can see is 500 units per month. These are without tool. Amazon showing this key type of data about this product is how much units are sold per month. Is 23 reviews and his selling is 500 plus in past month. His selling is 100 plus units per month in la 34 and he is selling is 15 plus units. He is in new products. You can also scroll down, you can check on first page if selling well, then you can launch product with your own brand of this. Okay, he is selling a 15 plus and 7 reviews. He is selling a 314 and 400 plus about per month 550, and you can see average seller is selling well. His low reviews are high reviews, also 200, 100, 100, every product is selling well. So this type of product you can sell easily on Amazon UV Market. You can need reviews, 5 to 6 reviews to selling well in Amazon UV Marketplace. This is the best product in Amazon UV Marketplace to sell well. Okay, so you can choose it for your brand, and you can do branding. You can source from Alibaba.com, every design. So how you can source it? For example, here you can find Alibaba.com. You can type your Alibaba.com, then when click on AliExpress or Alibaba, made in China, Alibaba.com. I will make new video for Alibaba.com, so you can also find how to source. I already have many videos available in my YouTube channels. You can check in how to source product from Alibaba.com for any marketplace. So you can see it which will be helpful for you. So you can find this type of products is easily selling on Amazon, and you can see everyone is selling good sales for this product. Okay, so this is the process of how to do a manually product research for Amazon UV Marketplace. And this is the first product we check, and then we will check second product also. This is the second product we will check, like glass oil bottle. Okay, this is the second product. And third product is thermal bento lunchbox set for a school. And this is also a fourth one, which is ranking on as a, because it's a newly launched product. So you can send it under sink organizer. You can also need paper towel holder wall. These are all products best selling on Amazon as a newly launched in Amazon A marketplace. So you can manually check these products from this data, from Amazon data like this, which I showed you how many units sold per month. So you can see from here like this. From this data, you can easily check how many units per month selling every product and every brand. Okay, if you have any question about this process, so you can comment below. I will answer you shortly. Okay, so I will make the next video about how to do a product research with a product helium 10 tool. One thing I will show you next. So how to do a product research from scroll down menu, tools and gadget. Okay, you can easily find from here also tools and gadget tools. You can see everyone is selling well. Here is low reviews products. So you can also type here main keyword, how to find main keyword. So you can find from of title of product. Okay, like this. These are your main keyword. For example, how to find main keyword. So this brand is using 2 to 3 keywords. This one is first keyword he is using. Lunchbox for kids school. Bento lunchbox for kids adults. Click Pro with 41. These are two main keyword this brand is using for this listing. So you can find here is the main keyword of every product from his title after the brand name. Okay, so this is the main keywords. You can find every product, like this is the first example. Second example you can find, for example, this is the Anna Myra is the brand name, and then Bento Lunchbox is the keyword. After the brand name is the main keyword, it's so you can find easily from it. If you have any questions, so comment below. I will answer you shortly. So we will meet in the next video. Thanks.